2016 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, keyless entry, Bluetooth, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, center armrest, climate control, power brakes, clock, side airbag, power door locks, power windows, security system, fog lights, CD player, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.